Hey everyone, it's the Monday Master here. Today I'm going to show you how to import client information from an Excel file into Monday's CRM, specifically your contacts and accounts boards. Then I'm going to show you how to automatically connect your contacts to their relevant accounts through an automation. As you'll see upon initial upload, this is not already done. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com guides and time-saving tips that I'll continue to release in the future. We're going to start in the accounts board. We're first going to take a look at the Excel file or the Google Sheets file that we're going to use to import into the CRM. You'll notice it's a simple file. Each line item is a client and a company that I have in my book of business. Information such as email, phone number, type of client, company description, etc. are in there. We're first going to download this into an Excel file to prepare it for upload. We'll then go to our Monday.com board and click the drop-down caret in the top left-hand corner here. You'll then select Import Accounts. We'll then drop our Excel file in there, and then we need to match our columns from our Excel file to our Monday board. So it's ensured to double check that everything is right before continuing here, as the auto match isn't necessarily always correct. For example, although we're on our accounts board, it's saying that the contact name should go as the account name, which is not right. So we're going to go ahead and clear that selection, and we're going to actually match the company name to the account. Email, we're actually not importing this column, not importing the name, not importing the phone number or the type of contact, as that will all come on the contact side of things. We'll keep priority, we'll get rid of comments, we'll keep company description, number of employees, and the headquarters location, which it looks like is already matched. So we'll go ahead and hit continue. It asks how you want to handle duplicates. We're just going to skip this and keep it as add as new for now. We'll go ahead and start our import. It's going to create a new group for those accounts that are being uploaded from the Excel file so that you can easily sort them prior to adding them to your existing companies that are on Monday. So we have our accounts here and our account information pulled in. We're now going to jump to the contact side and do the same thing. First, we want to ensure that we have a column for our company name, as that will come into play a little later when we add in the automation. So now we have the column that's going to track company name. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to click the down caret in the top left-hand corner. We're going to select Import Contacts. We're going to drag and drop the exact same file, and now make sure that it's matched up to the contacts. So we're not going to pull in, or the company name is going to go to the company, that column that we just made show. The name is going to go to the contact. Email, looks like it's already accurate. Phone number, type of contact, priority, comments, and we won't import company description, number of employees, or headquarters location. So go ahead and continue here, add as new for the duplicates, and we'll start the import. The same thing will occur. A new group will be created to manage the new import, but what you're going to notice is that none of the accounts are automatically connected to the contacts. So this is where the automation is going to come into play. So to start with this automation, we first need to add a new column on my contacts board. So I'm going to click the plus button on the right-hand side, and I'm going to add a status column. This is simply just going to exist to trigger my automation. So I'm just going to call it trigger for now, but we'll later delete. We're now going to go into our automate section. We're going to pop over to the templates. We're then going to search for the match automation in the search bar, and we're going to use the one on the right-hand side here. When column changes, connect the item where this column matches another column in another board by a certain logic. So we're going to break this down. The trigger is going to be that new status column that I added, the trigger. When it changes, we're going to connect an item where a certain column is going to be the company matches. We need to select the other board first. So it's going to be the accounts board by adding a new matched item, and it's going to be the name of the account, and we're going to connect in the accounts connect boards column. So we're going to create this automation. And now we should be all set to automatically connect our accounts. So we're going to Command A to select all of our records. We're then going to change this to done, which effectively triggers our automation. Notice it's now running here. And then it notifies us of its completion. And now we see all of our contacts are automatically connected to different accounts. And when we look on the account side, we have all of our contacts now connected as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tips. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me either via email or any of my socials linked below this video.